What's good, YouTube? Down here at the motherfucking car wash. Washing up the car. Well, my lady insists that she wash the car on her own because she got her own special technique on how she washes her car. So I'm out here chilling. Hey, I'm out here chilling. Shout out to all my likers and subscribers. Hope everybody's having a beautiful, blessed Sunday. It is a beautiful day. It's a little cold out here, don't get me wrong, but nice and sunny. Nice and sunny. Gots to love it. Gots to love it. You know? And if you live out in paradise, you got to love it. Shout out to all my likers and subscribers once again, y'all. Y'all hit that like button. And if y'all hadn't already, go ahead and hit that damn subscribe button. Shit, we just out here chilling. Chill. Yeah, I'm a little hyped up right now. Any damn way. Damn. Looking good, baby. Good job. She probably think I'm over here video chat with the motherfuckers up. Any damn way. Get up off here. I figured I'd drop y'all a quick little video of the outside. Out up here, man. Pretty fucking nice, you know? Yeah, alright, y'all. Shout out to all my likers and subscribers once again. Much fucking love, y'all. Until next damn time.